Welcome to this session. So today we are going to discuss some trigonometry questions. We'll also discuss the homework questions I gave you guys yesterday. Okay, hi Yash, welcome to the session. Hi everyone, a very good evening. Okay, everyone please type a hi in the chat box quickly so that I can know who all are attending the session. Okay, all right, let's begin. Hi, Thomas. Welcome to the session. Okay, so I'll introduce myself quickly. My name is Aishwarya Agarwal. I've done my master's in maths from University of Delhi. Prior to that, I did my graduation from Miranda House. I've been training students for since past 4 years now. Yes, hi Ankit, Anurag. Good evening. Welcome to the session, guys. Okay, let's start. So at Unacademy, we provide you plus subscription for CAT. Okay, so for IPMAT. So if you go for the IPMAT plus subscription, you get all these benefits. सारे classes जो होते हैं platform पे, all the sessions are live sessions. Even if you miss any lecture, you will have the recording of that lecture available to you. Every fourth session is a doubt solving session. So you guys will have enough number of doubt solving sessions also. Full length mock test and sectional test are also the part of the platform. So ये भी आपको मिलेगा in plus subscription. Yes, you're asking ये Miranda House क्या है? Miranda House is my college. It's in Delhi University. I've done my graduation from there. Okay, all right. Okay, let's move on. So this is our first question for today. I gave this question as homework. How many of you have tried this question? Hi Rishi, welcome to the session. Okay, everyone, quickly tell me how many of you have solved this question. Did you guys try it? Yes, tried it? Okay, let us discuss then. So it is tan x is equal to a by b. Okay, and we have to find this value. So this is similar to the question we did yesterday, right? So what we have, a sin x minus b cos x whole upon a sin x plus b cos x, right? So what we can do in this question, we can divide the numerator and denominator by cos x. Okay, if I divide the numerator and denominator by cos x, the value of the fraction will not change. It will remain same, right? Okay, so divided by cos x in the numerator as well as the denominator. What do you get? So this will be equal to a tan x minus b whole upon a tan x plus b. Okay, now what is the value of tan x? It is given as a by b. So what do you have? A into a upon b minus b upon a into a upon b plus b. Okay, now take the LCM, you get a square minus b square upon a square plus b square. So what will be the value? Option B will be the right answer to this question. Okay, I hope this question is clear, all of you. The question number 1. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, please try this one, everyone. This is also the homework question I gave. Yes, Anurag, you're asking, you have seen my input-output session, but when I was doing the questions, I took a lot of time just want to know if, okay, all right. See, that depends on the difficulty level of the input-output question. Okay, if you feel that the question that is there in the exam, if you feel that you are unable to decode the pattern आपको नहीं पता चल रहा है, okay, then it will be better that if you leave it for the first round. When you complete all the questions, then you can go back to it. Okay, so I'm repeating this again. All of you who are giving the exam tomorrow, okay, IPMAT 17th को है for रोहतक जिसमें लॉजिकल रीजनिंग आता है. सो आई एम रिपीटिंग दिस अगेन. आपको सारे क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट नहीं करने हैं, आपको सिर्फ वो क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट करने हैं जिसमें आप कॉन्फिडेंट हो दैट यू कैन गेट द राइट आंसर. यू हैव टू मैक्सिमाइज योर राइट आंसर्स. ओके, ऑल राइट, बैक टू द क्वेश्चन. So this is cos x. What is the value of cos x given here? Minus 3 by 5. This is what I need to find. Now what is tan x? What is cot x? This is 1 upon tan x. Okay. Plus cosec x. Okay. So this value will be 1. So this is actually 1 plus cosec x. Now this is given minus 3 by 5. So using this you can calculate the value of sin x. What will be the value of sin x? 1 minus 3 by 5 whole square. Okay, so what do you get? Under root 1 minus 9 by 25, which is equal to 4 by 5. Okay, all of you, am I right? Is this clear, the value of sin x? Answer option में नहीं है. See, understand this thing. Here the value of cos is negative. Cos x की value negative है. Now we discussed about the ASTC rule. Okay, can you tell me cos कौन से quadrant में negative होता है? Cos की value किस quadrant में negative है? Think about it and answer. Yash, Ankit, Anurag, Rishi, Harshita, Thomas, waiting for your answers. Cos की वैल्यू किस क्वाड्रेंट में नेगेटिव है? In which quadrant does x lies? Negative. Fourth quadrant में cos is positive. Fourth quadrant में positive है. Cos is negative in the second quadrant and the third quadrant. Okay? Cos is, yes, Ankit right. Second quadrant and third quadrant में cos का value negative है. Okay? So, साइन की वैल्यू पॉजिटिव आ सकती है अगर ये सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में है, राइट, बट साइन की वैल्यू नेगेटिव होगी अगर एक्स थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में है. सो देर आर टू पॉसिबिलिटीज हियर, प्लस 4 by 5 and you have minus 4 by 5 also. So you have to consider both these values. Understood, everyone? Yes, Anurag, you're asking which formula have we used here? I have used this identity. Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Okay, this is the identity we have used. Alright, is this clear, everyone? So, sin x is either 4 by 5 or minus 4 by 5. So, cosec x क्या होगा? It is 1 upon sin x. So, what are the possible values for cosec x? It is minus 5 by 4 and 5 by 4. Okay, so what is the value of 1 plus cosec x? Add 1 to it. What are the possibilities? 1 minus 5 by 4. Another one is 1 plus 5 by 4. Okay, please tell me what will be the correct answer now. Yes, Ankit, we can also use b by h. You can do the question using that also. But here negative sign was there. So we need to determine the quadrant. Okay, so that way also you can do. Yes. What are the possible values? यहाँ से answer आएगा 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 and this gives me 9 by 4. So which option is the correct option? Please answer. What is the correct answer to this question? It will be minus 1 by 4 because it is given in the options. Option D is the right answer. Okay? Yes, Sonam, correct. Ankit, Anurag, Yash, Thomas, is this question clear to everyone? Okay, correct. Let's move on. Okay. How you found out the quadrant? नहीं समझा? Okay. Let us do this question again. Let us do this from the beginning. Okay. See, what is the value of cos x here? It is minus 3 by 5. Please tell me, here this is a negative value. So cos की value किस quadrant में negative होती है? Anurag, tell me, cos का value किस quadrant में negative है? ए एस टी सी, यहाँ पे सारे पॉजिटिव हैं, ऑल पॉजिटिव. सी मीन्स कॉस, दिस इज पॉजिटिव, so it is negative in second and third quadrant. Okay, so the angle can be in second quadrant or the third quadrant. Okay, now if cos is minus 3 by 5, can you find the value of sin x? Find the value of sin x when cos is minus 3 by 5. So you get two possibilities. One is minus 4 by 5. Other possibility is 4 by 5. ये दो possibilities आएंगे. Okay? Now, look at this. Here, the possibilities are second quadrant and third quadrant. अगर x की value second quadrant में है, so sign positive होगा. But अगर x की value third quadrant में है, so sign negative होगा. Okay, is this clear? Now look at this. This is 1 plus cosec x is 1 upon sin x. Okay, so do it for both the values. What is the value of 1 plus cosec x? 1 minus 5 by 4, and other value will be 1 plus 5 by 4. So this first value is matching the options. So it is option D. Is this clear now? Yash and Anurag, Harshita, Sonam, clear? Okay, let's move on. Next question. Please try this. Sin x is equal to, yes, yes, identity है वो, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Okay, try this. Sin x is minus 15 by 17. Sec x is greater than 0. It means sec x is positive. Find the other trigonometric ratios. Please try this, everyone. Find the quadrant first. Okay, this is a hint for everyone. Before you start finding the values of ratios, find the quadrant of x. No, Anurag, not this. If you have to find out all the angles, I think you're asking if you have to find out all the ratios, right? Then we have to take all angles in second and third quadrant. No, you don't have to take all angles. This x represents all angles in that quadrant. So taking x will be sufficient. Okay, no need to take all angles. Okay, what is the quadrant? Have you guys found? Yes, Yash and Sonam are getting 3 and 4. Let's see. So we have A, S, T, C. Okay. Sign is negative. Sign negative है. Okay. But cos positive है. Sign negative है and cos positive है. ऐसा किस quadrant में होता है? Where sign is negative but cos is positive. Tell me the quadrant. Yes, Sonam and Yash, do you guys want to change the answer? Think about it. Thomas, need the answer from you. Ankit, Anurag, Harshita. Okay. All right, Anurag. If you're asking for the previous question, then correct. Yes, you have to do that. Fourth quadrant, right? Because in the fourth quadrant, cos is positive and sine is negative. So this implies that x is in fourth quadrant. Okay. Yes, Thomas, you are saying cos positive होगा in first and fourth, correct. But sine को negative होना है. Sine negative सिर्फ fourth में होगा, first में नहीं. So fourth quadrant. Okay, so you have to solve this question for fourth quadrant. So sine is negative, sec x is positive means cos is positive. Find the other ratios, find the value of cos x first. Sin x is minus 15 by 17, find the value of cos x. What is the value of cos x? Use the formula. You have sine square x plus cos square x is 1. Right? So put the value of sine square x. What do you get? Minus 15 by 17 whole square plus cos square x is 1. Okay? What is the value of cos square x? 1 minus this 225 upon 289. Okay, solve it. What do you get? This is 64. 64 upon 289. So what is the possible values of cos x? Okay, cos square x is 64 by 289. So दो values आएंगे plus minus both. Okay, so this implies that cos x is either plus 8 by 17 or minus 8 by 17. Yes, Harshita, clear? Yeah, but cos is positive, so you are getting 8 by 17. So right answer, Harshita, 8 by 17. So cos x is 8 by 17. What is the value of sec x? What will be the value of sec x? Please answer. Yes, I have taken this value as plus only, but when it goes from left hand side to right hand side, the sign changes, right? That is why minus. Anurag, clear? Okay, so you have cos x is 8 by 17. Find sec x. Okay. What is sec x? It will be opposite, the reciprocal of cos x. So this is 17 by 8. Okay. What is the value of cosec x? Cosec x कितना होगा? Reciprocal of sin x. So this will be minus 17 by 15. Okay, from here. Find the value of tan x. What is tan x? Tan x is what? Sin x upon cos x. So इसकी value क्या होगी? What is sin x? It is minus 15 by 17, right? So minus 15 by 17. What is cos x? 8 by 17. Okay, so what is the value of tan x we have? Minus 15 by 8. Okay, it will be minus. Correct. Also, minus अगर नहीं भी आ रहा है आपका, you can just see the angle is in fourth quadrant. So fourth quadrant में tan negative होता है. So minus आएगा. Now what is the value of cot x? Minus 8 by 15. Reciprocal of tan x. Okay. So is this question clear, everyone? Yes, Thomas, not minus 15 by 64. It will be minus 15 by 8. Okay, you have to take under root here because this is cos square x, no? So you have to take under root, square root. Here, let's move on. Next question. Okay, so we have discussed the homework question. Let us try this one. If the angles of a triangle ABC are in AP, okay, what is an AP? It is an arithmetic progression. Do you guys understand what is an AP? All of you, please tell me. This is an arithmetic progression. Okay, so arithmetic progression is an equally spaced sequence. Okay, equally spaced sequence. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? For example, if the first term, sequence means a series, sequence means back to back you'll have different numbers. Okay, suppose if you have a number a, the next number will be a plus some constant, suppose a plus 2, then the next number will be a plus 2 plus 2. Okay, so difference between two consecutive terms is same. All right, is the definition of AP clear? Okay, now ABC is a triangle in which you have three angles which are in AP. So can you find what are these angles? The difference between two angles is 30 degrees. Can you tell me what is the measure of angle A, measure of angle B, and measure of angle C? Think about it and answer. Yes, everyone, please answer. Possibilities for the angles. Remember that all the angles add up to 180 degrees. A plus B plus C 180 degrees ही होगा. Okay. Yes, Sonam, correct. First angle अगर 30 degrees है, second angle you can take 60, finally last angle 90. Check if the total is equal to 180 degrees or not. Correct. Right answer, Sonam. All of you, please confirm if this is clear. In this case, the angles can be only 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay? Okay. Yes, Harshita, you are getting 0 degree, 30 degree and 60 degree. Okay, so I understand that this is an AP. This part is correct, but it is a triangle also. And sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So this is not equal to 180 degree. The sum is not 180 degree. So can't take these values. Okay? Now, so we have this. Now, can you tell me what will be the values of, what will be the value of cos A into cos B into cos C? इसका value क्या होगा? Please try to find it. Calculate the values. Have you guys learned that table? Yes, hi customer's choice. Welcome to the session. Yeah, what is cos A? Means cos 30 degrees. What is cos B? Means cos 60 degrees. What is cos C? Cos 90 degrees. Okay, so you need to find the values of these. Let's see. All of you quickly type in your answers. Okay. ऑब्वियसली 11-12 दोनों में बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान देना होता है. सारे बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स आप वहीं पे सीखते हो. Okay, so cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, cos 90 is 0. So what will be the final value? 0. Option A is the right answer. Okay, all right, answer is option A. Correct answer. Yash. Sonam also right values. Okay, everyone, please confirm if this question is clear. Done? Correct. Harshita, right. 0. Let's move on. Next question. Okay, try this one, all of you. If PQR is a right angled isosceles triangle, then cos P plus cos Q plus cos R is equal to what? Okay, so this is a triangle PQR. One angle will be 90° because this is a right angled isosceles triangle. Try the question. You have to find the value of cos P plus cos Q plus cos R. Okay, find the value of this thing. Okay, customer's choice. If you are my student, then why have you disguised yourself? अपने करेक्ट यूजर नेम के थ्रू भी आप आ सकते हो. Okay, everyone, try this question and give me the right answer. Yes. Any idea, guys? अभी तक कोई भी आंसर आया? Okay. Wait, fine. Acha. Just tell me what will be the measure of angle P and angle R. Angle Q we have taken 90°. Angle P और angle R का measurement कितना होगा? Find it. Okay. Um, See, this is an isosceles triangle. Okay. So Sonam, if you want, you can take these sides are x. Okay, correct. Both the sides are equal. So ये दोनों x हो जाएंगे. Now can you tell me ये दोनों angles का measurement कितना होगा? Is there any theorem of triangles that you will apply here? Think about it. Yes. Correct. Not 30-30. Okay. Sonam, 30 plus 90 is 150. I need the total as 180. Okay, so ये दोनों angles equal होंगे. Why? Because angles opposite equal sides are equal. Okay, angles opposite equal sides are equal. Okay, so these two angles will be equal and they will be equal to 45 degrees each. Fine, correct. So if these angles are 45 degrees, find the value. What is cos P? Cos 45 plus cos 90 plus cos 45. Okay, what is the value of cos 90? Cos 90 is 0 and this is 1 upon root 2 and this is 1 upon root 2. Okay, so if you add it, you get 2 upon root 2, which is root 2. Option A is the right answer. Okay. Okay, option A. All right, clear? Yes, Anurag, I think you have got B because I think you put the value of cos 90 as 1, right? It is 0. Okay, fine. Root 2 is the correct answer. Should we move to the next question? Is this question absolutely clear to everyone? Okay, let's move on. Next question. Okay. Which of the following statements is false? Okay. Yes, you are saying यहाँ से क्लियर नहीं है. 2/√2 तक. So 2/√2 is root 2, no? Direct. Yes, try this now, everyone. Okay. Yes, hi Ritu. I see you have also joined. Welcome to the session. Try the question, please, all of you. Yeah. Which is false? Which is incorrect? Okay. We already have an answer. Let's see. So A, Ankit. Fine. Ankit is getting A. All of you. Okay. Sonam, you're saying confused between A and C. Okay. So I'll give half marks to C. This is 1.5. Okay. Now D. Thomas. D is also in the picture. Fine. Any other option possible? I've got three answers. Harshita D. Okay. So D is 2. Fine. Priya also D. So 3. Ame B. Okay. So 1 for B. Anurag also B. Fine. 2 here then. Yes. Yash, what is your answer? Who else has not answered? एक सही होगा. Let's see. Let us discuss. Option A. What is option A? Tan 500 is less than 0. Okay, so in yesterday's session, I told you when there is any angle which is greater than 360 degree, तो उसको हम try करते हैं, we convert that angle from 0 to 360 degree. And how do we convert it? By subtracting 360 degree from it repeatedly, जब तक वो 0 to 360 के बीच में ना जाए. So you have 500. Subtract 360 from it and tell me what do you get. Yes. 500 minus 360 degrees. What is it? 140 degrees. Right? So this is 140 degrees. Okay. Now, can you tell me in which quadrant does this angle lies? What is the quadrant? Okay, Yash, I will send the PDF. Don't worry, I'll share it. कौन सा quadrant है? 140 degrees. This is the second quadrant. So ASTC. ASTC. So in second quadrant, tan will be negative. Okay. So in second quadrant, tan is negative. So this statement is true that tan 500 is less than 0. So this is true. Okay. So this is not false. So can't be my answer. Let us take the next option. Okay. What is the next option? Option B. Cosec minus 200 degrees is greater than 0. Okay. Yes, Vartika, tomorrow is the day. So, are you giving the exam tomorrow? I think most of you here are for 2022. So if there is any student in my session who is preparing for 2021, uh, all the very best guys, best of luck for the exam. So now at this time, if tomorrow is your exam, you shouldn't be in the session, okay? All right. Have your dinner and sleep well. You have to get up early tomorrow. Okay, all the best. All right. Now, cosec minus 200 degrees is greater than 0. What is the value of sine minus theta? Sine minus theta is minus sine theta. So, what will be cosec of minus theta? This will be also equal to minus of cosec theta. So, what is cosec minus 200 degrees equal to? This is equal to minus cosec 200. Right? Now, find it out. Is it greater or less? Okay. So, I think a lot of students for 21. Yes, Yash. Okay, Ritu, Amey, Rishi, Vartika, all of you who are preparing for tomorrow's exam, all the best, guys. May you guys do well. Okay. Yes, Amey asking, can we get tomorrow's question paper? After the exam, definitely, but not before the exam. All right. Find it, everyone. What do you get? Minus 200. कौन सा quadrant होगा ये? Which quadrant is this? 200 degrees. Okay, am I here for 2022? Okay, then तो no worry. Previous year questions पे भी sessions होंगे, वो हम सारे discuss कर लेंगे. Okay, don't worry. So 200 degrees is the third quadrant, right? In the third quadrant, cosec is negative. So this will be negative into negative value, which makes it positive. So option B is also correct. This is also a true option, correct. Okay. Now, let's see the last one. Option C. It is cot minus 500. So, minus 500 को हम लिख सकते हैं minus 140. Okay, 360 minus हो जाएगा. So, ये क्या होगा? This will also be minus cot 140 degrees. What is it? Cot 140 का quadrant कौन सा है? This belongs to the second quadrant. And in the second quadrant, cot is negative. Okay? So negative into negative value again gives you a positive value. So this is also true. Okay, this is also the true statement. All right, everyone, I hope it is clear. Yes, find the last one. Sec minus 400. Okay, what is minus 400 means minus 40, right? Subtract 360 from it, you get minus 40. So what is this equal to? Cos of minus theta is cos theta. So this is sec 40 degree. 40 degree angle lies in the first quadrant. Okay, so this can't be negative. This is positive. So this statement is false. Okay, so answer will be option D. Okay, so 3 of you gave the right answer. All right. I hope this question is clear, everyone. All of you, please confirm if this question is absolutely clear. All of you. Done? Okay, so who all gave the right answer? Harshita, Priya, right answer. Thomas also correct answer. Great. Let's move on. Next question. Okay. Try this one. If theta is equal to pi by 6, find the value of sine theta raised to the power 6 plus cos theta raised to the power 6. Okay. Try this, all of you. Okay. So what is pi by 6 in degrees? What is pi by 6 in degrees? It is 30 degrees. Correct. Okay. Find it. Uh, Sine theta raised to the power 6. So what is the value of sine theta and what is the value of cos theta? Sine theta is sine 30, 1 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Put the values here. 1 by 2 raised to the power 6 plus root 3 by 2 raised to the power 6. Okay. Yes, don't worry. You will be able to understand everything. Okay, it will take time. You have to practice. Abhi, I think you are in 10th standard, no? So it will take time. Okay, but you will be able to solve everything. Don't worry. You just have to practice. So you have 2 raised to the power 6 in the denominator. 1 raised to the power 6 is 1. 3 raised to the power 6 is what? It is 3 raised to the power 3, which is 27. So this is 28 in the numerator. In the denominator, what do you have? 2 raised to the power 6 is 64. So what is the value? No, Sonam, you cannot put the value of sine square theta plus cos square theta. Power 6 hai. The exponent is 6. Okay, I think you guys have misread the question. Okay, I am going to zoom it a bit. This is sine raised to the power 6. Okay, sine theta raised to the power 6. Alright? Okay. So what is it? 28 by 64. What is this equal to? 7 upon 16. Correct. 7 upon 16 is the right answer. Clear? All of you, I hope the question is clear. Sonam, Anurag, Ankit, Yash, Thomas, Harshita, Amey, Vartika, Ritu, Rishi, all of you who are there in the session. Okay, clear? Next one. The last question for today's session. Find the value of cos minus 1200 degrees. Okay? Cos minus 1200 degrees. Solve this. Use the ASTC rule. Convert the angle into uh, angle between 0 to 360 degree. Find the quadrant and then find the value. Yes, hi Akash. Akash, this is not for JEE preparation. This is for BBA preparation, IPMAT exams. Okay. But if you are preparing for JEE, this session will be useful to cover the basic concepts of trigonometry for you. Okay. Cos minus 1200. Okay, so one answer. Ankit is getting root 3 by 2. Fine. Let's see. 1 by 2, yes. Okay. Any other answer? Sonam, Akash, Thomas, Harshita, Yash, Amay, waiting for your answers. Rishi, Ritu, all of you. Okay, minus 2 by root 3. This, Anurag. Alright, let us discuss. So, first of all, let us change the angle. Okay, cos, now we know that cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. Negative sign vanishes when you have cos. So, this will be equal to cos 1200. Okay, cos 1200. Okay. Yes, Anurag, change your answer. You still have time. You can type it. Try it. So cos 1200. So I need to change this angle and bring it between 0 to 360 degrees. Subtract 360 degree from it. What do you get? 1200 minus 360 degree. What do you get? 840. Now again we have to subtract 360. What do you get? 14 minus 6, 8. 7 minus 3, 480. Again subtract 360 degrees from it. What do you get? 120. Okay. So this is equal to cos 120 degrees. Okay. This is equal to cos 120 degrees. Now what is the value of cos 120 degrees? This we can find. I can write this as 180 degrees minus 60 degrees. Okay. Now what is 180 degree? In case of 180 degree, the trigonometric ratio does not change. So this will be equal to cos only and 60 degree. Now look at this. ASTC. What is the quadrant? This is the second quadrant, right? 120 degree is the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cos is negative. Cos negative hota hai second quadrant mein. So this would be minus. Okay, so minus 1 by 2 is the right answer. Alright everyone, minus 1 by 2. Clear? All of you? Is this question clear? Minus 1 by 2. So these answers were not right. This was close but incorrect. Okay? Alright, I hope it is clear. Okay, so this was the okay, let us do one more. We have one more question. Angles of a triangle. Angles of a triangle are in AP with a common difference of 20 degrees. Find the measure of angles in radians. Okay? So इस question पे सिर्फ आपको angles बताने हैं. First calculate the angles in degrees, then in radians. Yes, yes, quadrant पे भी ध्यान देना है. सारे steps clear होने चाहिए. Because in the end IPMAT में MCQ questions आते हैं, right? So MCQ में तो गलत कर सकते हो आप अगर 1/2 और -1/2 दोनों ऑप्शंस हैं. Okay, so be careful. हाँ जी. Now this I want the correct answer, everyone. Take your time. I'm going to give you entire 2 minutes. Okay? Take entire 2 minutes and give me the right answer. Type your answers once you are done. Okay. Yes. So two answers I've got. Yash and Sonam have given the answers. All right. Okay, so these are the values, right? The difference is of 40 degrees. So you can take the angles as ABC. ABC add up to 180 degrees. Now B is what? A plus 20. And C is what? A plus 40. 20 degrees ka difference hai, right? So the angles will be 3A. Addition of all angles will be 3A plus 60 degree is 180 degrees. So what is the value of A you get from here? 40 degrees. So what is B? 60. What is C? 80. Correct answers. Now, let us change these angles into radians. Okay. So A is 40 degrees. What is 40 degrees in radians? Convert. Hame pi by 4 is 45 degrees. Okay. Everyone needs to convert here. What is 40 degrees in terms of radians? Please answer, all of you. 40 degrees in terms of radians is what? Yeah. So pi radian is equal to 180 degrees. 1 degree is pi by 180. Right? So what is 40 degrees? It will be pi by 180 into 40. What is it? Solve it. 2 pi by 9. Okay. What is 60 degrees? 60 degrees is pi by 3. What is 80 degrees? Twice of A. This will be 4 pi by 9. So these are the measures of these angles in radians. Okay. Everyone, I hope this is clear. All of you. Right? Clear. Okay. Alright, so this is the last question of today's session. Now guys, please tell me one thing. So tomorrow in the session at 9 p.m. we are going to discuss heights and distances. This is also the part of trigonometry only. Okay. And from Monday we'll start a new topic, that is numbers, number theory. Okay. Alright. Is there any doubt? कोई भी question हो आपके माउंट में, please ask. So far we have done 3 sessions on trigonometry for the basic concepts only. Okay. Tomorrow we'll discuss heights and distances, and from Monday we are going to discuss number theory. Number theory will be the new topic. Okay. Now about new batches starting on the Plus platform. For 2 years also this batch is starting. For 1 year also this batch is starting, and this is for the 2021 aspirants who are preparing for DUJAT, SET, all these other BBA exams. Okay. All right. Now you can join us on Telegram also here. The link is there in the description. Now this is the sectional test that happens every day at 4:30 p.m. So you guys can join this sectional test from Monday to Friday. Yes, Anurag, definitely. Okay. On Sunday, definitely. I will take. Yes, I will send the PDF for sure. संडे को पीएनसी का मैराथन सेशन होगा. आई विल शेयर द लिंक ऑफ द सेशन ऑन द टेलीग्राम ग्रुप, सो यू all of you can join. Okay. Any preferred timing? If you guys have any preferred timing, you can let me know. अगर कोई और classes हैं आपके, you can let me know. I can plan it on Sunday. Okay. All right. So you can go for the IPMAT subscription for 2 years, or for 1 year, or for 6 months accordingly. If you take it for 2 years, the price is 30,000 and you get 10% off the course fee also using my code AAISH10. So जो 11th standard के students हैं, they can go for 2 years. जो 12th standard के students हैं, they can go for 1 year of subscription, the cost of which is 20,000. 10% off करके you get it for 18,000. Okay. All right. Now This is the link of my Telegram group, name of my Telegram group, no spaces in between. You can search this directly on Telegram, or you can refer to the link which is given in the description of this video. Please join this. Links of all my sessions are here. You can even ask questions on quantitative aptitude, LRDI. किसी का question भी पूछ सकते हो आप, कोई IPMAT या exam related query है, you can ask that also. Okay? All right. Yes, you should definitely join PNC on Sunday. Yes, Thomas, morning 9 a.m. will be slightly difficult for me because I have different sessions in the morning. Okay, I'll take it on Sunday. All right. Okay, then. Thank you everyone for attending the session. Please like the video and share it with your friends also. All the friends who are also preparing for IPMAT, you can tell them about the classes. Okay, they happen every day at 9 p.m. All right. Thank you everyone. Be safe, guys. Keep practicing. Again, all the students who have exam tomorrow. All the best, guys.